I'm Marissa Vicario, founder of Marissa's Wellbeing and Health and creator of the Total Reset Plan. Today I'm going to show you how to cook apples for babies as finger food. When your baby is old enough to start eating solid foods, apples are a really good choice. You can bake the apples, but I like to steam them gently so that they retain most of their nutrients. We're going to start by peeling the apple. Apples are great food for babies because not only are they very non-allergenic, they're also easy to digest and highly nutritious. Now, once you've peeled the skin away from the apples, you'll cut the apple into wedges around the core. You can add a squeeze of lemon if you'd like, and then add your apples into your steam basket. Then we're going to put the apples onto the stove to steam. Place your steam basket over a pot of boiling water and cover and allow them to steam for a couple of minutes. When the apples are finished steaming, just remove them from the heat and let them cool. And once the apples have cooled, you can slice them into bite-sized finger foods for your baby. These will store in the refrigerator in a tightly sealed container for up to 3 days. And that's how to cook apples for babies as finger food. I'm Marissa Vicario, founder of Marissa's Wellbeing and Health and the creator of the Total Reset Healthy Eating Plan.